I don't know what, but she is just stinking and smoking. Woo! Yeah, you see it down in there? Let's see if we can zoom in. Oh yeah, she's getting red hot. Oh yeah. She's done. Oh yeah, we just burnt the absolute piss out of that armature. Something I must have, yeah, something bad with the windings in there, or fuck, I don't know. I honestly, like I said, I'm not an electrician or a motor repairman, but it is just about done for. Woo, red hot. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, and it's just like one or two of them that are really heating up and getting nasty. So I'd have to say this motor is done, and I'll tear apart something, or I don't know, use it, set it up as an air pig. That's probably what I'll do. Just set it up as an air pig, or maybe a tiny air storage tank for a refrigerator compressor. I don't know. Use it here in the office when I need to have a little compressed air. I plan on running air lines into the office here, but hell, who knows if that'll ever happen or when. But that's definitely. Yep. We're definitely gonna burn the oh. I mean, it is just red hot spinning around there, and it's always the same. There, we have an actual fire. All right, so mission accomplished. Ooh, crusty. I actually burnt it out, burnt it up, just fucking, yep. She's fucking donezo. All right, that was fun, I guess. Kind of disappointing. There's $40 for you. Take it. Bend over. Shit happens. Adam the Lumberjack out.